Arrive in style with this Dodge 2015 Durango Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.